Enkind is a plant-based product that's had a huge impact on KUK. The trials that we did initially, the feedback from that was absolutely amazing, so we decided to roll it out to the rest of the estate. It's a natural extension of our sustainability strategy, as well as being good for not just the staff that use the products, but actually for residents as well.
The feedback was really good from not just the residents, but the family members that were coming, who said that they could obviously smell the difference on the approach to the home, and that was due to the fact that we were using one scent across all of the home and using the building blocks of all the products. Any issue whatsoever, I just pick up the phone, and that can be anything from the homes forgetting to place an order to, you know, I've got a particularly bad odour in this room, what is it that we can do?
We've started rolling out Enkind across the entirety of KUK. Started the trial about a year before we actually rolled it out everywhere, because we really wanted to make sure that it was good. And the impact has been fantastic on those homes that we trialled it in. The fragrance is really, really good. We've also noticed that by using a plant-based cleaning solution instead of chemicals, we're not getting that sort of sticky residue on things and stuff like that as well, which has made a massive difference, especially for people walking with purpose.
The teams were given the briefing, which was done by video, but then having the walk around in the home and showing them how to use the product had a massive impact on the teams, to the point that they just couldn't wait to start using it, you know. We did the training and we had to hold them back for about 4 or 5 days. It was very difficult, you know, and I do know for a fact that 1 or 2 of them did sneak it in early. You know, they did. They were just so eager to use it.
Introducing Enkind means that we can actually reduce the amount of products we have in the home, which is obviously a good thing. It's less risk assessments, less cost sheets, etc. Having one cleaner for a variety of different roles is particularly good as well, so the staff aren't having to swap and change chemicals.
The staff themselves say that it's a lot easier for them to use because they can use one product in all different areas of the home. From visitors, we have had comments made about the nice smell throughout the home, where this say obviously being a plant-based product, it's nice and it's good for the environment and good for the furniture and different things that they're cleaning in the home.
So we know that it meets all the industry regulations, and Blueleaf have been really, really good in terms of the training with colleagues and the reassuring of colleagues. So that's actually helped our productivity within the cleaning teams as well.